Hop into the 2021 Lexus GX. With less than 45,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. This talented GX delivers an abundance of premium comfort and off-road prowess. Enjoy a host of passenger amenities and advanced safety tech while you satisfy your appetite for adventure in this rugged and refined 3-row SUV. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated and/or cooled front seats, navigation system, heated driver's seat, moonroof, keyless entry, heated mirrors, power passenger seat, satellite radio, backup camera, power driver's seat. Feel confident and supremely comfortable in this handsome GX. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.